I am Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and today we're going to explore the mini worlds of Subdivision in Blender. So let's rock and roll. We have Blender open with a general project. We have the default cube selected, and we're going to add Subdivision the old-fashioned way in the Modifiers tab. Let's add a modifier. Go down to Generate, and we want the Subdivision Surface. There are several things you can do here. Switch between simple and cat model Clark. Levels viewport will change the amount of subdivisions that are placed upon your object. Of course, now you can also, with your object selected, you can hold Control and press 1 through 5. Let's do Control 5, for example, and you almost get a perfect sphere. I've been Eric Polley, and you've been you. I will see you on the next one.